A little bit of small remodel update in here. Well, didn't do much, but just painted this room in here. The sheetrock work that needed to be fixed. The corner in there was popping out. The sheetrock in there, spackle, they need to be done on that part in there. This tile over there in the corner need to be replaced. This tile in here need to be replaced. So I'll replace that. It's brand new. This vanity in here is falling down, so I put a support in there on the bottom. And then I painted this room. All this need to be removed. The mirrors need to be removed, so I can paint it, and then remove those light fixtures, and then painted the whole bathroom. It looks pretty clean, almost brand new. Whoever did this before, not such a great job, but it is what it is. Not something I would do. Not something I would do. You can see this. And then plus grout in here on the bottom. But, anyway. So this. Then I had this door. This was working properly, so now it closes. I had to adjust it a little bit. There's a couple holes on those. A couple holes that they're patched. I patched them up. And then on the first floor, this door in here, it wasn't closing right. The reveal in here was falling apart, and basically almost reset it. So the reveal is all the same now. It closes nicely. I had to take the trim out. Insulate it, proper support, and then over here the same. Take all the trim out, insulate it, proper support, so the door wasn't falling apart. And now the door opens and closes nicely. The reveals are nicely. The top, I can't do nothing about the top because that's what the door is set. So, but the reveal on the bottom, and then I painted the trim in here. Painted the trim. At some point, probably have to find something to put a weather strip in there at some point, but not right now. Downstairs in the basement. This tile in here was broken. It was broken in here. So I took that and I replaced it. It was grouted, and also this door had a hole in here. So I fixed the door as well. Also in the bathroom in here that I forgot, I changed the shower head in here because the older one was corroded. So I changed that, and then they can use the new one. They had it already, so yeah, the man of the house. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. Come. Oh, he's so good. Come. Yeah. It's okay. What's bothering you? The little dog in there? Huh? Yeah.